I'm pretty
And
sure
I think Herman's grades are due before that.
they were done on Friday. I thought.
Because remember what happened to him last time?
They'll probably put Herman's.
I bet Herman's grades are due today because they don't have school today, so their teachers get today to do it.
I didn't know.
Because last time he got all in trouble. Because kids had A's that are stupid.
Yeah, I was like, and now that's why he's being more picky about it. I was like, no.
Okay,
Don't listen to him.
so everyone's got this in front of them. This is the cladistic worksheet assignment. The first part says you were given 3 cladograms that represent possible evolutionary relations for three taxa as identified. As A, B, and C. Consider the 3 characteristics up here and the number of toes on each foot, skin, covering, and tail, with the ancestral character state having 5 toes, scaly skin, and a tail. If each taxon had the following characters, and it gives it to you here. Question is, which of these cladogram represents the most parsimonious phylogeny? So, what does parsimonious mean? Parsimonious.
Oh, that's the one. They. Is it the one where they branch off the least?
Yeah, they branch off the
So
least.
that's B.
Yeah, so it's going to be B. So if you look at it, it says that the ancestral trait is 5 toes, scaly skin, and tail. So that's what you want, like on this side of your tree. So here it says
Oh, which side is it?
the left
Oh,
side, like the side of the tree. So if you look at B, it says scales to no scales. Well, this means that this one has
I have a
scales,
question for the announcement.
but these guys have no
Seniors,
scales.
please bring in or email me your senior picture for the class composite.
Oh,
Speech students, remember to bring in
It
your
has a
money
tail,
for
but
speech
these guys
team.
don't have a tail.
Any
It
seniors
has
who are
5
members of
toes, but
4-H
these guys
receive
only
this
have
as
4
young for
toes. So
scholarship.
B is your
Also, any seniors who are pursuing a degree in
Parsimonious
agricultural
phylogeny.
related fields should see Mrs. Young for a
That's because they
scholarship.
had the least amount of.
Mr. Rourke,
branching.
second hour, go to Mr. Fisher's room today. Also, with the following students go to Mrs.
Just
Fields'
kidding.
room during
Mr.
homework.
Fisher probably won't now.
Cameron Hansen, Kelly Hansen, Delilah Perry, Derek Hansen, Kennedy Wright, Isaac Deal, Lexi Hansen, Olivia Hasbargen, Izzy Schmidt, Dylan Hansen, and Alyssa Davis. Thank you.
Okay, if you looked at A, it says tail to no tail, and then you notice that it's over here too. Well, that just usually doesn't happen in nature where this doesn't have a tail, tails reappear, and then the tails disappear again. So, just looking for that stepwise fashion. Okay, so you have to briefly explain why, 2 points. Now this second page, these are the dinosaurs and characteristics. So you write the dinosaur names on top, and then the characteristics on the bottom here. And then if they have it, you put a 1, and if they don't, you put a 0. And then based on your 1s and 0s, you actually have to construct a cladogram on the next page, page 3. Then there's some questions asking about your cladogram, which I hope you construct correctly. The last page, I give you a cladogram about ungulates, and I include some fictional organisms on there. But you have to answer the following. It says choose the following words, finish it into the sentence, then B, C, and D. I ask you to draw a box around a clade and label it. I ask you to show me where the nodes are with a circle, so circle all the nodes, and then I need you to state a sister group.
probably like
you just
branch off to the sister.
Yep, where they're right next to each other. Yeah. So, don't forget to box. Don't forget to denote the nodes. Otherwise, you'll lose points. So tomorrow, I think I'll just lecture. We'll just say this is due Wednesday. So I'll go through my lecture, and then if you have questions, I'll answer them after the lecture. But we'll say it's due Wednesday.
There's